Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Brianamccalip, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. So today's hair tutorial is going to be featuring Ali Gray's hair. Everything will be in the description box below as far as where I got the wig. The link to the wig, what inches, all the specs and details on this wig will be in the description box below. This is a two-tone brown and blonde wig, and it's in the inches 24. I want to get into this wig, so if y'all want to see how the wig looked before I did this and how I slayed this, then keep on watching.
Brianamccalip, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Brianamccalip, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Brianamccalip, and let's start off with Ali Gray's bag. All they sent was a wig cap, the wig, and instructions to take in the wig. Here's the wig straight out of the package. This is how it looks, and it is beautiful. I love how straight and silky it looks. I love how bouncy it is. Like, look at that flow, baby, because when I straighten it, it's over with, period. So y'all, mind you, I did this wig a day before I did that butterfly look, so the wig was actually on my head. So in the intro, if it looks like that, then because I slept in it today, it wasn't freshly put on. All right, y'all, right here I just basically parted where I want to pluck, and I already bleached the knots on this wig. Actually, when I bleached the knots on this wig, it didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out. I don't know, I have really good wigs that turn out really good when I bleach the knots, but sometimes with like transparent lace or these types of lace, it's hard for me to bleach the knots. Maybe the knots are too big, they're not really small to where when I bleach it, it just dissolves that quick. So I don't know, whatever. I just plucked the wig just like this, and you're gonna see me do this only on this side, but I did do it all around this wig, y'all, and this is how it came out. Pretty, y'all. Man, it's just me like getting the correct lace tint and making it not look ashy in my pictures. I'm gonna try this new lace foam that I saw somebody try on TikTok. I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna see if that works. All right, I'm taking some heat protector, and what this is gonna do is gonna make the hair shine, and it's gonna protect the hair from the heat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my flat iron and comb, and when I take my comb, I'm just going to basically go with the comb so this could be extra straight. So I'm gonna repeat this process all throughout the head because it's technically no style with this, just bone straight. And look how straight this hair is, y'all. Baby, it is silky, it is straight, it is everything. Yes. Ooh.
Niggas act like some been taken. What? Ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. I'm telling you, been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting De Niro for Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. Put that shit on. Nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on. She Turn a pandemic into a pandemic, you know that's the shit that we own. Yes, sir. Them niggas gon' pull up and L at this shit is together, won't fuck what you own. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket is taking it. It's a problem with you, then we straighten it. Swap out the cap, put a demon in it. Upgrade the band up with fiends in it. I got some shooters you seen with it. We'll run that shit back, I just seen 10. We gonna get straight. Straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, don't not get straightened but straightening. Don't not get straightened but straightening. Don't not get straightened but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. You don't get shit straight if you don't straighten it. I'm the type to sit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the bando, chopping out bacon. Lows on like I'm starring in the Matrix. I keep the cookie like my grandma made it. I keep the keys and the pounds and the babies. Key in the bridge came white like shady. Got a Lambo through the avenue. Pretty little bit with an attitude. Give a shout out to them white boys. All white rolls look radical. If you a five, don't let them take it. If they get charged, you gotta get straight. I got you off, I give them a facelift. My niggas working and spending the day shift. I got them ram when you see me. Ragged. Back to back, it's a repeat. Championship, it's a three-peat. Shoot out the window like Drizzy and Freaky. I keep it on me, believe me. I be up high where the trees be. I go and put on so much of this ice. They say don't touch me, you gon' freeze me. Straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, don't not get straightened but straightening. Don't not get straightened but straightening. Don't not get straightened but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. Get my straightening, straight. Automatic handgun like the Navy. I keep 100 round drum, ain't fading. Turn a nigga to a mummy with a pavement. Terminator with the money, it was brave. Terminator spin an op block, rockin' my baby. Made it top stop, made it mama hate me. We were trapping at the spot, out the base. Tasmanian devil, we spin on your block. Spin. I hope a perk in the wall was working. I woke up and bought me a drop. Like fuck it. Straight to the point, I get straight to the straight. And your buddy, he can't even walk. Straight. We gutted them, nobody talk. We gutted new color that starts out the fall. New color and hustle and beat down the wall. Beat on with the stepper. Outside rebel. Lucky for Mac and the Mac of the Tesla. On with the gang, we can never be selfish. Watch how I guess I'm the different professor. Saw the kid then I bought a compressor. Kill time to press them. Eat them for breakfast. Taught them a lesson, I'm never confessing. Never my message. Somebody stretch them. Stretch. Straightening, straightening.
I'm taking a brush to get rid of those flyaways, but baby, look at that. I slayed that wig. If somebody professional was to put this on, they would have laid and melted this wig down. But you know me, I'm just an amateur, so I'm gonna do what I can. Anyways, we're going in with a wig cap, and I choose a darker wig cap this time, not the one that they gave me. Something that kind of matched me more, so I don't really have to put any foundation on top. And I'm just doing my basic wig cap lay down. I see a lot of people sometimes just put the wig cap on and then go ahead and proceed to put the wig on. I can't do that because my head is so peanut. The peanut head is. The wig be slatting back. I mean, my cap be slatting back and like kind of rolling up. Like, no, girl. Sorry, my peanut head is can't do that. So I have to lay this down to stick to my head. Anyways, I'm spraying it down with some gas to be glue so that it can stay. After it's done drying, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this excess wig cap off, okay? So we can lay this wig down. I'm telling y'all, when I put it on the first time, it was laid. But I slept on it and it just like, started. You know when you sweat? You know when you sweat, that little lace starts trying to come up and stuff? But yeah, y'all, I'm showing y'all how I lay it down. It really doesn't matter how it had looked the day after, but this is how I laid it down and it did come out really nice. When I am checking to see if my wig matches, like right now, to see where I want to lay it, I do go ahead and I'll actually split the lace so that I can proceed to pull it back so I can put the bolt hole glue on. Okay, girl, what am I saying? Like, I'm just like tweaking, like I'm really trying to process it in my head and then try to talk, y'all. But yeah, that lace looks so good. It looks really good, like it's about to be slayed and laid. And it was. So I am adding my glue, but I added 3 coats. Y'all gonna only see me add 1 layer on camera. I just feel like sometimes when I add 3 coats, if it's not sped up, that is unnecessary. So y'all get the gist. As anything you do to lay your wig down, make sure you put 3 coats on so that it can stay even when you sweat. Okay, period.
Came white like shady. Got a Lambo through the avenue. Pretty little bit with an attitude. Give a shout out to them white boys. All white rolls look radical. If you a five, Don't let them take it. If they get charged, you gotta get straight. I got your op, I give them a facelift. My niggas working and spending the day shift. I got them ram when you see me. Ragged. Back to back, it's a repeat. Championship, it's a three-peat. Shoot out the window like Drizzy and Freaky. I keep it on me, believe me. I be up high where the trees be. I go and put on so much of this ice. They say don't touch me, you gon' freeze me. Straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, straightening, straightening, straightening.
So the latest wig down, I start off with the middle part first and I do the sides after. So once I figure out where I want the middle part, I push it down. Then I take the side parts and I push it down. I try my best to put it right on top of the glue that was laid down. Try to put it in front of the cap a little bit so that you cannot see the cap. The cap is basically for the part and when you part the hair so it could look like a lighter scalp. But yeah, I'm just laying it down. I do proceed to take my comb as well and kind of smash it down. I'm also going to put my band on so I can sit under the dryer for a certain amount of time to let it completely dry. So this time I use scissors. I really don't like the scissors because it definitely give a straight wig line, and I should have used my razor instead of my scissors because of that reason. I'm just gonna basically try to squiggly it out because some result of a razor kind of look, and y'all, it still looks bomb, but y'all know that razor, I don't know, it's just something about that razor that just do the job for me. I cut each side off. What I did was put my band back on and I sat under the dryer just a little bit, and this is how it came out, y'all. This is how fresh it looked. And I was debating like, oh, should I do my makeup today? And I didn't. I went ahead and went to sleep because I've been feeling tired, and yeah, I had to get some rest. It was only right. But you're gonna see me with my makeup on, which is now, and I did my makeup, and now I'm about to flat iron my hair so that y'all can see how it looks. I like the first one better, but because I went all through it, honey. But yeah, y'all, that is it. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't forget to go check out the description right below to check out Ali Grace hair. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next hair tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget to go check out Ali Grace in the description right below. Don't forget, if y'all purchase, tell them that we resent y'all, okay? Because it's only right if y'all do. I'll see you guys on my next lady hair tutorial.